Our solar system is made up of the Sun, our nearest star, 8 planets, 5 dwarf planets, many moons, asteroids, comets, gas and dust. In case you were wondering, meteors haven't been forgotten. They are pieces that have broken off comets and asteroids and become meteors or meteorites as they burn up through our atmosphere. The Sun's gravity holds all of these objects together, and the gravitational forces between these objects can cause those with lesser masses orbit those of a greater mass. Planets orbit the Sun, and moons orbit planets, in roughly circular paths, while comets and asteroids move in more of an oval orbital shape. The Sun is at the center of our solar system, and as it is so much closer to the Earth than other stars, it appears to be the biggest and the brightest star of them all. In reality, it is only a medium-sized star, and if it were as far away as the next nearest star, Proxima Centauri, it would be too small and dim for us to see. The Sun contains the most mass in our solar system, and it is this mass that creates such a strong gravitational field around it that it causes smaller objects like the planets, comets and asteroids to orbit it in elliptical paths. It is this great mass that originally formed all the objects in our solar system and holds them all in flat plane around it, in much the same way that Saturn holds the vast number of particles surrounding it, in flat rings. Of the 8 planets orbiting the Sun, the first 4, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, are known as terrestrial planets as they are made of mostly rock and metals, while the furthest 4, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, are known as gas giants, being much larger than the terrestrial planets and are made of mostly hydrogen and helium gas. The terrestrial planets all have atmospheres, however, aside from Earth, their surface conditions would not allow human life to survive on them. The 5 dwarf planets, Pluto, Eris, Haumea, Makemake, Ceres, are too small to be considered planets. However, they are celestial bodies that orbit the Sun, have enough mass to assume an almost round shape, and are not moons, so they have been given this specific classification by the International Astronomical Union. Our solar system is just one of 3,916 solar systems within the Milky Way galaxy, and it is located in an outer spiral of the galaxy called the Orion Arm, or Orion Spur. Our solar system orbits the center of the Milky Way galaxy, traveling at about 515,000 miles per hour, taking about 230 million years to complete one orbit around the galactic center.